Alright guys, here I am in Tools of Destruction, and yeah, it's the start of my 200th video special. So, yeah, kind of exciting. So, alright, what I'm gonna do is I'm here on Planet Juscindo in the underground gelatonium plant, and yeah, I'm gonna do this glitch. I've seen many people do it. I'm not really 100% sure who did it first. So if you know, then send me, just comment in the comments or whatever. Alright. Well, you make that thing down there, and you gotta make sure. Nope, not over there. Maybe it'll work. Nope, not over there. Alright, hold on. Push me back like that. This. Oh, did not mean to press X. Come on. I'm in the right spot anyway. I've only done this glitch like one time successfully, so it tells you right there it's gonna be a few tries before I get it right. Oh my god. Oh, come on. Wow. Alright. There we go. Yes, worked. Okay. Only took me like 2.5 minutes, but it worked. All you gotta do is return to your ship. And you have the gelinator out here. Yay! Okay. Yeah, you can do whatever you want with it out here. So, pretty cool. Again, I'm not sure who did it the first time, so I don't know who to give credit to, but it's not, I know it's not, oh crap. Why'd I do that? Yeah, I know it's not mine. I know 100% sure I did not do it first, so, yeah. Come on. So yeah, I know that it was definitely not me that did it first, but I'm not sure who really did do it for the first time, so. Anyway, now we're going to Cabelia to do something cool. Okay, so apparently there's a glitch where you get the Ravager out. Okay, you stand here and you go over there, and do that right. Okay, you go like, whatever. You go up there, and then you like use the Ravager and go like that, and then you get up there. Well, something I discovered. I don't know if still don't know if I'm the first one or not, but I think I am. But you just go up here, and there's your claw. It's a way to get up to the gold bowl up here without going through the path. And then you're up here. Oop. There we go. Yep. Instead of going through that path over there, you come right up here. So, yeah. Alright. I'll see you guys in the next video.